In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove account from OneDrive Windows 10, 5 minutes. If you want to stop OneDrive from syncing on your Windows 10 PC or you're preparing to switch accounts, this quick walkthrough will guide you through unlinking your computer and, if you choose, uninstalling the app afterward. Let's start at the taskbar. Look for the OneDrive cloud icon near the clock. It may be white or blue depending on your version. If you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to show hidden icons. OneDrive often lives there. Click the cloud icon to open the OneDrive panel. In the top right corner of that panel, you'll see a small gear icon. Click that gear to access more options. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This opens the OneDrive Settings window, which is where we'll make the change. Inside the Settings window, navigate to the Account tab. This tab manages the connection between your PC and your OneDrive account. Here's the key action. Click Unlink this PC. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to confirm that you want to unlink. Click Unlink Account to finish. At this point, OneDrive will stop syncing on this computer. Your files that are already downloaded in the OneDrive folder on your PC will remain in place, so nothing is deleted from your computer. Your files in the cloud also remain safe online in your OneDrive. You can access them anytime by signing in on the web or from another device. Unlinking simply breaks the sync connection on this PC, which is perfect if you're troubleshooting, switching accounts, or just don't want background syncing anymore. If you ever change your mind, you can open OneDrive later and sign back in to reconnect. If you want to go a step further and remove the app entirely, you can now uninstall OneDrive from Windows. Open the Windows Settings app, go to Apps, then find OneDrive in your list of installed apps and choose Uninstall. On some builds, it's labeled Apps and Features. The process is the same. Uninstalling removes the application, but your existing files in your OneDrive folder aren't automatically deleted. You can move or clean them up later if you wish. That's all there is to it. You click the cloud, open the gear, went into settings, use the account tab, unlinked the PC, confirmed, and if needed, uninstalled. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you cleanly remove your OneDrive account from Windows 10 with confidence.